Geocaching is a worldwide favorite outdoor game, and Locus Map is an officially certified geocaching app. It can download caches for offline use, navigate to them, insert them into routes, and log them, including trackables. In addition, it offers a number of other auxiliary tools. In this Locus Map tutorial, we'll cover the basics: how to get caches into the app. From the main menu, get to the Geocaching Tools folder, where you select Search for Geocaches. If you're already logged into your geocaching.com account, choose a location to search around. Your GPS location, the center of the map screen, or any location on the map. Enter the number of caches to download from 10 to 500. You can filter the downloaded caches by type, difficulty, terrain, size, and other parameters as needed. Once you're set up, click the search button. Locus will ask you which folder you want to place the caches in. Once you've made your selection, click Import. There, and the caches are on the map. Now you can work with them further. Start navigation or guidance, plan a route to them, or share them. Enjoy the hunt! If you want to learn more not only about geocaching but also about other features of Locus Map, subscribe to our channel. We look forward to hearing from you.